Hi Year 5, Miss Barker here. This is your Tuesday reading lesson for week 3. Today we will be continuing with our poem Sea Fever. So looking at our reading skills today, we are going to be looking at this one, which is to clarify. We are going to be clarifying some word meanings. So you can read through the poem again, and if you're in yellow group, follow yesterday's link and read through it again with me. So there are some tricky words in this poem, and I'm going to highlight a couple that we might want to look at in more depth. So the first one I'm going to look at, I want to find the meaning for, is I want to find what this word here means, steer. And another one that I wasn't quite sure about was this word down here, spume. So obviously there might be some more words in there that you want to highlight if you don't understand them. But what we're going to do for these two words now is we are going to look up the definition in a dictionary and we are going to write it in a sentence. So for my first word, steer, I'm going to put that into my dictionary. You can either use an online dictionary or you can use a paper one to practice your dictionary skills. So this word here means to control direction of a vehicle. So I'm going to write that into the definition. To control the direction of a vehicle. I'm going to put that into my definition. And I also want to write it in a sentence. So the sentence that I've thought of is, this car is very easy to steer. That shows that I know it's to control the direction of a vehicle, and the vehicle in this case is going to be my car. So the next word that I'm going to have a look at in my dictionary is this word that I've not heard of before, spume. And it means, oh look, it's the white foam or the bubbles on the top of water, of the waves in the water. So let's write that as my definition. So it's the white foam on the top of waves in water. I'm also going to try and write that into a sentence. So my sentence for this one, I think I could say, all I could see was spume. So that's the white stuff on the water. As I looked out over the waves. So that now shows that I know what that spume is and where I could find it. So now it's your go. So have a look at the activity on your sheet. Yellow group, you're going to match up your words to their definitions and a sentence. Green group, I've given you some words from the poem to find the meaning and to write a sentence for each one. And blue group, you are going to find your own 4 unknown words from the poem and find the meaning and write a sentence for each one. Once you've completed your activity, if there are any more words in there that you don't understand, find the meaning in a dictionary or discuss it with somebody in your house so you've got a really good understanding of all the words in that poem. Okay, so until tomorrow, Year 5, goodbye.